retrospective design, and specifically the 250 LM as the car of inspiration, is not exactly an easy start. Quite the icon and many different routes that could directly lead to a disastrous piece of car design. However, the ladies and gentlemen at Ferrari did a marvelous job at creating the 296. A very restrained, elegant, well-proportioned piece of car design with a lot of character. And they struck the balance right exactly. This is an utterly modern piece of car design. Again, great proportions as a foundation, but on top of that, delicate surfacing, of course, blisters around the front wheel, but then especially that shoulder line that is concave towards the rear, and then is followed by this intake, again a very modern interpretation of that 250 LM that very delicately moves into another blister, a very three-dimensional setup that then flows again into this negative space towards the rear, an intake, and that intake leads towards the spoiler. Especially that rear end is hard to grasp in photography and even moving image. There's a lot going on here, albeit very subtle, and it's exactly that is hard to convey through either moving image or pictures. Looking at this car specifically in this color, it describes its shape, its surfaces very well in this sort of soft champagne metallic, and it truly does do wonders for the surfacing and communicating again what the car designers at Ferrari Centro Stile did with this 296. Moving around the back, that same soft, rich sculpture is very visible throughout the design. It's extremely consistent, has this nice facets running around the main graphics. Of course, that visor, front end DLO, daylight opening, front end graphic of the windows, but of course here as well. And then within that glass, there's that same sculpture, layeredness as well, where the body colored unit sits on top of the grille, which then lays beneath the glass surface. Looking at the rear end, again, a very delicate interpretation of that classic 250 LM, not an easy task to pull off. Of course, the double rounded tail lights now moved into a more modern interpretation, more modern graphic. Very well done, and a beautiful car to do some work on. Actually, Niels van Roij Design is known for their full rebodies, their full coach-built interpretations, often based on Italian or English chassis. Or a Restomod brand, Autoforma, has recently executed work based on a 296 GTS. This is a GTB, of course, with a fixed roof. And quite some delicate touches there in that design, both on interior, where we, for instance, did a fully milled center console. We've added some aluminium to the front end graphic of that car as well over there. Again, linking a bit to that 250 LM in a very subtle way, adding to the softness of the volumes and the graphics that one can find on this lovely piece of automotive design. We'll share a few photos in this movie on the 250 LM inspired car that we designed at Autoforma. But for now, let's just enjoy the beautiful work that Ferrari did themselves on this car.